Hey, welcome back to the 2x72 belt grinder build. So, on this detail is when you're going to realize all of a sudden, wow, we are not building the Tinker Toy. No, we are not. This is a behemoth. This is 2x2 solid bar. This bar alone is 19 pounds of steel. So, this and this is really going to soak up vibration and allow this thing to run really smooth. Everything we're building here is super heavy duty, and that is going to give you a belt grinder that is going to last a lifetime, okay? And it's something you can build in your shop with tools, like this. Now, this one here is going to be a little bit challenging simply because we got a big hole we got to put in this bar. So, on this one here, we are going to put a 1 1/4 inch hole, and that is to make room for this guy right here. So it may be a challenge to find a 1 1/4 inch drill bit. I picked up a cheap boring bar from Amazon that you could use on a drill press or a small mill. And that will do the trick. Or you can use a drill bit, or you can make this 1 inch instead of 1 1/4 inch, and on this part right here, use number 10 bolts instead of 1/4 20s, and make your bolt pattern a little bit smaller, and that will allow you to use a 1 inch piece instead of an 1 1/4 inch. But for this build, I'm going big and I'm going beefy, so we're going 1 1/4 inch, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's get started. All right, there you have it. This part is complete. Now, something I noticed, I gotta deburr that. When I went to drill this hole, I noticed that I was missing the dimension of where that hole right there goes. So what I did, I went 325 thousandths from the end in. Now that's something I will fix, correct, and on the final video when I release all these prints, that's a dimension that will be there. That's another reason you guys want to subscribe and wait to the end of this video, because I'm going to find little things like that and I'm going to fix them and I'm going to add them. Also, I'm going to cut some of this footage because even at 400%, it took a super long time to drill this hole. I mean, I was literally drilling, I don't even know, probably 10-15 minutes to get the 1-inch hole, and then when I got the boring head out to do the rest, I was doing that for a long time. So I'm gonna get some of the footage, but honestly, nobody's gonna want to stare at a screen of a drill bit for that long. So I'm gonna try, you know, to keep that in mind and be mindful of that. So overall, that part goes like that, and that one goes like that. Now, if you want, you know, 180 degrees, you will have to use flatheads here. That way it can go farther. But at this point, that's about how it's going to be. So there you go. Starting to come together. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Once again, if you got anything out of this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.